Good morning, YouTube! Yes, so today's video is going to be a messy one because I am putting together my vanity in my new studio, and I have no idea if I'm going to succeed because it looks like it's a lot of work, but I am definitely going to try. So if you want to see what my new vanity in my new studio is going to look like, make sure you stay tuned. And I'm just gonna continue to put on my face so I look a little bit more presentable for the video. So I'll see you guys soon. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I just did it really quickly, no eyeshadow or anything. You know, I don't have time for all that right now. This is not a makeup look video. It's a vanity put together studio kind of deal. So, I'm wearing everything orange. I don't know, I was in like a matchy mood. So you got the orange lipstick, the orange top, the orange ripped jeans, and let's just make the best of it. But yeah, let's go to the studio right now. Follow me. This is my studio. Welcome. Well, it's really my studio in the making because there's really not much going on yet. This is the wall that you guys normally see me sit in front during my YouTube videos. And we got the boom lamp, another lamp here. We got another lamp here. Of course, I got my ring light, which is essential. We got a backdrop holder. I got a makeup storage thingy over there. And it's really all really fresh, new in the making because we just moved here. That actually is the vanity that I'm going to be putting together. Well, normally, yeah, I'll be sitting here and I normally have a table in front of me with a mirror. I'll be doing my makeup and stuff like that. I am going to be sitting right there putting together this contraption. Okay, so stick with me. First of all, the vanity I'm putting together today, I got it on Amazon. No, this video is absolutely not sponsored by Amazon or anything like that. This video isn't sponsored. It's just me, being goofy and all that stuff. Anyways, this is what the vanity is supposed to look like, and I'll insert a picture so you guys can see what I'm hoping to end up with today. So picture somewhere here or somewhere there or... Now, let me show you guys what I received. I got a bunch of boards, plank. I got a bag filled with screws, a screwdriver, and some other bolts and nuts. Yep. And then I got this part here with the mirror on it. It's got the holes for the Hollywood lights, which was the main feature that I wanted for my vanity because it always makes everything look 10 times more glamorous. So I got that. Then there's another board back here that I'm supposed to attach somewhere. Of course, I have the instructions, so it shouldn't be that difficult, right? I got the light bulbs, and normally this set came with the 3,000 bulbs, but I wanted the 6,000 bulbs. So that's what I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I think it comes with 10 lamps. I hope there's 10 bulbs in here. There's all kinds of stuff in here. I went ahead and I purchased a stool, which I'm probably gonna have to end up, you know, putting together too. So bear with me on that. Let's just get the building, right? Hey babies! So for all you newbies out there who are looking at me and thinking, who is this chick? What is she talking about? What the heck? Who is she? Well, my name is Kimberly and I do videos on beauty, fashion, and a little bit of fitness. So if you like those kind of things and you want to see what's going on and, you know, the newest of the newest and the latest of the latest things, stick with me. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you join my squad. And yeah, I hope you like today's video, and I'll probably be breaking a few nails building this thing, but stick around and we'll see how it goes. Thank you for watching. Okay guys, so I'm first gonna start and I'm just gonna lay out all the pieces, how it says on the instructions. Let's numbers all the pieces. So I'm just gonna do that just to make sure that I have everything that I need for this vanity. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so quick little in-between little snippet. If you plan on putting one of these together, it comes with this little itty-bitty screwdriver, and this almost broke my hand because it's so tight to like screws and all that stuff. So I switched to a super duper power screwdriver, which is way easier. So make sure you have some good tools if you plan on putting this together, because it's a workout. And I go to the gym, as you guys all know, and this is an even better workout than the gym. So my arms are gonna be huge by the time I'm done with this. Okay, let's keep it going. I've only attached 2 boards so far, and I'm already out of breath. All right, let's keep it going. Okay, so what I'm doing right now, I am attaching the back of the vanity. And this is basically, the other side has the mirror on it, and it's really, really incredibly heavy. So I'm having a chair over here help me, but it's really, really tricky. So I'm just gonna use my super screwdriver. And one thing you wanna make sure of is that you always put the planks in the way according to the description, because if one is flipped the wrong way, you're gonna have to end up doing it all over again, which I discovered not too long ago, but I cut that out of the video. I can't wait to get to the lights, because that's the really fun part, right? And that's it for now. I'm gonna flip it upside down, and then I'm gonna continue working on it. Guys, that was the setup of my vanity and the little stool that it doesn't come with, because I bought it separately. But I hope you guys like this video. It was a lot of work, and it took me about 3 hours to put it all together and make sure that it filmed. I got it done. Had I known it was this much work, I would have had someone do it for me, because it was a lot and I need a total manicure right now. But having said all that, I do love the final result. I mean, come on, do you love it? Now, I'm trying not to clutter the top because I have so much makeup, I don't know what to do with it. The stuff I use on a daily basis, I just put it in the drawer over here. And then it's a really spacious drawer, plenty of space for all the stuff. But sometimes I use different makeup, so I still have my storage rack over here, which you can't see because it's off camera, but yeah, I have some more makeup in that, and then I have some storage over there that you can't see. I have so much makeup, I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I love it. So yeah, having said that, let me know what you think of my vanity. Do you love it? Do you think, hey, I want one like that too? Or let me know in the comments below, and like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys again next week.